Okay, so I thought I'd share real quick that this weekend I've been using the wet ones and working hands combo, and even though I'm in an eczema outbreak currently, my hands are not trashed, and they're not. I mean, other than the pain that I feel because of the eczema, because I got like an open sore, my hands are solid. So the combo worked pretty well. It's also just nice being able to clean all the gunk off your hands, between your fingers. I actually wipe my arms down, get all the tree sap, brushing up against trees, carrying firewood around. So good combo for me. So I'd share that real quick, and if you guys are having similar problems, maybe this is a good option for you. Like $1.49 at Target or Target, and I've not found the cheapest place to get this stuff. I think it was like $6 something, but it's a little, yeah, it's $6 something, but do you want to feel pain, or do you want to have, not pain? So unless there's something better on the market, but I've been really happy with this for cracked, dry, extremely dry, cracked hands. So it's pretty much a money. I mean, last time I did an overnighter, my hands were just, and they were just trashed. I mean, my right hand was so bad, I couldn't even touch anything. I just carry everything in my arms. But now, no problem. So if you experience the same problem, maybe this will work for you. So, alright, just wanted to throw that out there for you.